First, the mix with bad quality. We need to rule out whether the quality of the ice cream ingredients is poor or not. If so, we need to improve the quality of ice cream ingredients. Second, wrong mix ratio. To adjust the proportion, reduce the proportion of water appropriately. Third, long time no discharge the mix. If there is no feeding for a long time, but you haven't been feeding for a long time, when the machine is stopped, causing sugar-water separation, so there will be a lot of ice crumbs in the ice cream. Fourth, the shift no enough. If the gear is incorrect, we need to press the settings button. Increase the hardness of ice cream by adjusting the gear increase. Fifth, the beater have abrasion. If it's due to the wear and tear of the agitator, we need to remove the mixer. After dismantling, check the mixer. Replace with a new mixer.